You see questions like this where you're asked to multiply two-digit number by 11. Very quickly, you write the first number, which is 23 times 11. You write 2, then you write 3. Okay, so now you add 2 plus 3. That is 5. So you write it in between. So your answer is 253. Let's try it. 35 times 11. You write the first number, which is 3. And the second one, which is 5. 3 plus 5 is what? 8. Write it in between. 54 times 11. Write the first number, 5. The second number, 4. 5 plus 4 is what? 9. That's your answer. Let's try it again. 62 times 11. Write the first 6 and the second 2. 6 plus 2 is 8. And 62 times 11 gives you 682. So try it with 71 times 11 and 80 times 11. And if that hack was correct, then that's how it is.